Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the lock type because the removal process changes accordingly. Once done, remove any trim or escutcheon screws visible on the door face. Use a flat or Phillips screwdriver, turn counterclockwise, and put each fastener into a labeled container so reassembly is straightforward. If the knob is stuck, spray a little lubricant into the seam and wait a minute. This loosens internal parts. Keep light pressure on the knob while you pull out the spindle to expose the rose or mounting plate. Once the trim is off, remove the mounting plate screws and support the lock body with one hand. You don't want it to fall. Pull the spindle straight out while turning the knob slightly if it resists, then extract the interior cylinder or tailpiece. Next, open the door edge and push the latch assembly back into the door cavity. This lets you pull it free. For mortise locks, unfasten the cavity trim and disengage the retaining cam before sliding the lock body out of the pocket. To finish, clear the latch cavity and unscrew the strike plate so the door edge is clean and ready for a new unit. Make sure you inspect wood for splinters or stripped screw holes. Store all parts labeled and decide whether to repair or replace worn components. Use the new locks template when drilling. If a part won't budge, apply penetrating oil and let it sit, then tap a punch gently. Only drill out seized screws as a last resort, because drilling damages reusable parts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.